Namaste, this is Shardul Singh. Welcome to Tutorial Factory. So this video will be a bit different. This is an announcement video. If you are an Unreal Engine artist, this can be very helpful to you, I think. So please watch this video till the end. From past 5 years, I am working in this industry as a 3D artist, graphic designer, video editor, all these things. In different industries I have worked, and I have learned a lot of softwares like 3ds Max, Blender, and Photoshop, Substance Painter, and most importantly Unreal Engine. So I am a Unreal Engine artist from last 3 years, but even in these 3 years I have worked on different kind of projects, scale wise also, industry wise also. So but right now I am feeling that I am kind of stuck at one point right now, because I am an artist. I am working as an artist from past many years, and I think to grow further than this, I should move towards the technical artist role or Unreal Engine developer role. But to do that, I'll have to learn some technical skills, obviously, like coding and blueprints and making games and all these things. But because I am a creative person by default, so these things does not come to me naturally. So there is a learning curve for me for all the technical things, and I am procrastinating from months now to do that. I have progressed a bit, but I have not done that on a proper scale, like continuously. So I thought it is already March of 2024, and I thought I'll get this over with, and I'll start the technical artist role learning and the technical skills learning properly now in a committed way. And I just thought that I'll document it, like I'll create videos, I'll video document it, and I'll upload it on YouTube also, so that if any other person or any other artist wants to take this journey with me, or if anyone is in similar situation where they are procrastinating and they're not learning, they're just skipping and they're delaying things. So I think this full journey which I'm going to upload now, the videos, I think this will help them, and I hope this helps them. Also, if anyone wants to do the same thing, I'll be ready to assist you in creating a timeline and syllabus in whatever software you want to learn, and finding tutorials like which tutorial. So I can create a proper timeline, I can create a proper syllabus, and there will be a target and everything. So if you need any assistance in that, I can help you with that, and I'll be uploading the progress journey on YouTube. So hopefully this will be helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let's make it happen. Thank you.